Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and joining the weather blog. We have periods of clouds out there. We're in northwesterly flow. And in this northwesterly flow, there's little disturbances. Each one has a sprinkle or flurry with it and some extra clouds. And that's going to be the case through the day as we warm up to around 45 degrees. Now look out to the west, 60 in Dodge City, 57 in Wichita. That air is headed our way for Monday. And as we look at tonight, we'll clear out. Temperatures will be around 29 to 31. And then tomorrow is going to be just a very nice day. It's January 30th. Keep that in mind. 55 to 60 for the high. And as you can see, out what we're in here, these wind fields, the wind fields are in the shape of a U. And we're towards the bottom of the U. And very often when this happens, not only does it warm up, but it warms up a lot more than the models say. The models have around the low to mid 50s. We're going to go closer to 60 on this one. And then 60s out in western Kansas. Then there's this cold front up in Nebraska. And it's going to move through Monday night. And temperatures behind it are not that cold. 30s in North Dakota at the end of January behind a cold front, not that cold. That's not much at all. So on Tuesday, still a nice day, 50 to 55 here. The front to the north moves off to the south and kind of stalls, and a new cold front will be approaching. This one's a little stronger, and as it comes through, we'll get some reinforcing shots of colder air as it approaches. So through the week, we'll gradually turn colder, but it's going to remain dry until possibly next weekend. We'll have a lot of clouds around. We'll be in this colder air mass, and a storm system will come out of the Rockies that it does not appear that it's that strong. And this is just the latest data where it's a storm kind of getting its act together as it's moving by. So some rain to the south, mixed nearby here, and a little bit of snow up to the north. Right now it does not look like a big storm at this time, but it's something to keep an eye on. It could make for some interesting weather for Super Bowl weekend, and it's still 6 or 7 days away. So here is your forecast for today. In and out of the clouds, about 45 degrees. Partly to mostly cloudy, a sprinkle or a flurry is possible. And then here's the 7-day forecast. Unbelievable. Tomorrow 60 degrees, 52 Tuesday, in the 40s Wednesday and Thursday, and then turning colder for the middle or towards the end of the weekend next weekend. And there's that chance of some kind of a system for Super Bowl weekend. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead.